people, welcome to another video on my channel. Today we will be looking at custom hot rod cars that are American-made cars that have been tuned for more acceleration and power. Join us to look at some custom-made American cars. Hot rod means like cars that have been tuned for more acceleration and power. And there are not only cars, but there's also motorcycles that have been tuned. This is a 1950 Chevy Bel-Air. And the owner modified it to carry motorcycles. And today it's transporting a Honda. Is a 1963 Chevy Impala, and look at the trunk. It looks like they're filled with water. This is a lowrider, and this color is like a diamond sparkly cyan, and it's so long that I don't think it will fit in my garage. But would you want to drive this? Can you guess what brand this is? This has alloy wheels with spikes on them, and it's a lowrider, which is very cool, don't you think? And look at the comfy leather seats. They look very good. This is a 1941 Ford F1, and it is very old, as you can see. Part of it is rusted already.
Don't forget also.
I don't know the maker of this car, but this looks very nostalgic and old. Look how big the headlights and grille are. And this is valid to drive in Japan thanks to its plate number. And look at the frame, it's half wooden. And for the safety, I would guess that it would get no more than 2 or 1 stars. This is a 1953 Chevrolet 150, and it's a coupe, and possibly also a convertible. Look at the aggressive grille. It looks like some spikes pointing at you. This is a 1929 Ford Phaeton, and it's a 3-speed manual. Although it's rusty, it's in really good value because it's very vintage. This is a Cadillac Khaleesi, and this is a Cadillac Eldorado, and this one is a convertible, but this one is non-convertible. And they are both 4-seaters. We have some very old nostalgic pickups here, and this one looks like it's used for the sheriff because it has a sheriff star with the safety under it. This is a Chevrolet pickup truck, and its rims are red, and the interior is red, and the trunk room is also red. It also has a plate number so it can drive on the Japanese roads. And it has some black brake pads which look pretty strong.